This over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see your kitchen is very spacious. Is the space of your master bedroom that you can see. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Atul Mulund Hills by Atul Projects located in Mulund, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and towards my left is the actual land parcel of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites, where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 9.6 acres that will have total of 4 towers, which will be elevated to 2 basements plus ground plus 5 level of podium plus 47 residential floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK luxury residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 60 plus luxurious amenities, you name it and they have it. As you can see in the model, it will have a gym, clubhouse, kids play area, mini theatre, swimming pool, lush landscape garden, and many more amenities within the project. Also, the USP of the project is that it is close to Yogi Hills, so you will have beautiful views. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off GMLR Mulund, from where Mulund railway station is at distance of 2.5 kilometers, Eastern Express Highway is at distance of 20 minutes, upcoming metro is at distance of 45 minutes, and you have schools, colleges, hospitals all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering your 3 BHK of Atul Mulund Hills. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1000 square feet. As we enter, you can see you have a very spacious foyer area. And right towards the left of your entrance is your kitchen space that you can see is very spacious. You will be getting 2 parallel platforms. You can see your kitchen is very spacious, where 2 to 3 people can stand easily and cook at the same time. Also, you have space provided to place your washing machine and your refrigerator. Your refrigerator space is also very much where you can easily fit a double door fridge, and you will also be getting half French windows in your kitchen. Moving forward, this over here is your spacious living and dining area. As you can see, your living is very spacious where you can place your sofas, center table and customize your TV unit. Also, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade in your living to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. And this over here is your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. You can see you have plenty of walkable space in your living and dining, so you can easily address a gathering of 5 to 10 people at the very same time. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedroom. Let's move towards your bedrooms. First, on this side, we have your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can make this your kids' room or your guest room. That's totally up to you. You can see how spacious your bedroom is. You can easily fit a double bed if you wish to, and you will have walkable space even after placing your furniture. Also over here, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony from where you can enjoy your views. You can see the balcony is very spacious. You can place your tea tables, tea chairs, or you can also place your swings. And easily 3 to 4 people can stand at the very same time in this balcony. Moving forward, Over here in this corner, we have your private washroom of your first bedroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, as you move forward, right next to your first bedroom will be your powder washroom that can be utilized by guests, and it will also come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Right opposite to your powder washroom is your second bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture. Also, your wardrobe space provided is very spacious, and you can also build lofts if you want. And in this bedroom as well, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can see how spacious this balcony is. This is an L-shaped balcony that is very spacious. You can have a look at this balcony from your kitchen windows. You can also design a beautiful entertainment corner if you wish to. And also your second bedroom has a private washroom as well. Right next to the entrance of your second bedroom is the entrance of your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving forward to the most spacious bedroom of this 3 BHK, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the most spacious bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom privacy, and this over here is the space of your master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. Your wardrobe space provided is also very spacious. You can also build lofts if you wish to. Also over here, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. And the balcony is also very spacious where you can place your swings, your tea tables or tea chairs and enjoy the views with your friends and family. And over here in this corner, we have the space of your private washroom that is very spacious compared to the other washrooms, and it will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was your 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Atul Mulund Hills. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Atul Mulund Hills by Atul Projects located in Mulund, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.